Hi all, our theme is demand. We chose to develop a solution for the problem statement, which is implement a solution to mitigate the price fluctuations and manage demand and supply in the market. Our solution to this problem is a solar food dryer that can be used to dry easily perishable vegetables in market and convert them to value-added products. Every year, the prices of tomatoes soars high in the sky and sometimes plunges to ₹1 a kilo. Tomato is a common crop that is grown in the villages around the city of Mysuru. When there is a sudden drop in the price of tomatoes, we see huge heaps of tomatoes just dumped on roads. We also spoke to farmers and people working in the fields. From their inputs, we came to know that there are no storage facilities available in their villages. Once tomatoes are harvested, they have to reach the market. Installing cold storage is very expensive and farmers cannot afford it, and so we came up with the idea of solar food dryer.
Using a solar food dryer can help vegetables and fruits be edible for a really long time. The farmers can sell these vegetables at a reasonable price in the market or for a good price to instant food making companies. This way they can equip themselves better for price fluctuations. Also, they need not invest a large sum of money because we are utilizing renewable solar energy. Our solar food dryer is an indirect food dryer, which means the vegetables, in this case tomatoes, are not exposed to direct sunlight. This helps to preserve the color and the nutritional value of the vegetable. Our solar dryer has 2 heating units that makes it more efficient. We have an automated drying unit in which the vegetables get dried. It has an Arduino microcontroller with a temperature sensor that helps regulate the temperature through relay controlled fans. This prevents the vegetables from getting burnt at high temperature and also maintains the required heat whenever required. Maintaining the optimum temperature is essential to preserve the appearance of the dried vegetables so that it closely resembles the fresh ones.
At present, there are no temperature controlled solar dryers available in the market. Automated solar dryers are available for industries only. There are automated solar food tunnels, but they require large piece of land for installation. Therefore, our product will be useful for small farmers as well as people with a vegetable home garden.
We let only 2 people, a domestic helper and a neighbor, test our prototype as they are gardening enthusiasts. We've taken down all their feedback and will work on it if we reach the top 100. All of us did the prototype together. Anita created the 3D design of the prototype using Tinkercad. Anita and I did the research and set the optimum conditions for the drying of the tomatoes. Trini built the model and fixed the circuits. Trini did the programming. Anita did the documentation while I did the troubleshooting of the program. Thank you.